Magandang buhay! Ngayon, ating alamin ang pagkakaiba ng expression sa equation at inequality. Simulan na natin. Bago niyan, mag-subscribe muna kayo sa aking YouTube channel. Salamat po! Okay, ang objective natin ay differentiate between expression, equation, and inequality, and give an example of expression, equation, and inequality in symbols or in words. Okay, definition. Expression is a phrase like numbers or variables or a combination of numbers and or variables using any operations. Expression also called algebraic expression, mathematical expression, or mathematical phrase. Can be written in two ways. The first one is in symbol or in words. Okay. So, mga examples of expressions in symbols or in words. Just like in number, kagaya ng 23. Or in word, that's 23. Or kaya variable, pag sinabing variable, letters. Kagaya ng M or letter M. Pareho lang yan ha, in symbols or in words. Or numbers with operations. Dito ay napapaloob ang fractions. Kagaya ng 2 plus 3. That's an expression. Or in words, 3 squared. In symbols or in words, 3 times 4, that's in symbols. Or in word, the same, 3 times 4. 1/4. 1/4 in words. Or meron itong ibang meaning na 1/4. Pwede itong 1 divided by 4. Okay, that's still example of expressions, numbers with operations, fractions. Square root of 5, that's in symbol, or in word, square root of 5. Another examples of expressions, in symbols or in words, variables with operation. Gaya ng x minus y, that's in symbol. So we have also x and minus y in word. X times y, okay? X cubed, okay? X over y or x divided by y. Pwede yun. At marami pa itong ibang meaning ng mga symbols na ito. Isang meaning lang ang sinulat ko in words. So, ibang topic naman yon, yung translating symbols into words. Okay? We have another one is the cube root of x, that's in symbol, and we have also in words. That's all about expressions. Let's proceed to, we have still another examples of expressions. Combination of numbers and or variables with operations. Kagaya ng 3x or 3 times x. Kagaya ng 3x minus 2 or 3 times x minus 2. 2 times the quantity of x plus y, that's in symbol. And the meaning of in words na nilagay ko ay 2 times the sum of x and y. That's another meaning in words. Or we have this, the square of x plus y plus 9. Okay, the square of x plus 9 to plus y plus 9. 9 added to the square of the sum of x and y. So, ganun yun. Or, kagaya nito, 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x plus 2. So, we have 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x plus 2. Those are expressions. Or this one, 3 times the square root of x minus y cubed. That's in symbol. And we have also in words. We have this, x plus 1 all over y, that's in symbols. And we have also in words, the sum of x and 1 divided by y. Okay, these are the two ways to express expressions in symbols or in words. Okay, let's proceed to equation. What do you mean by equation? Pag sinabi equation, is a sentence that shows equality. There are also two ways to write it. In symbol, with the presence of equality sign, ito yung equality sign, equal sign, or in word, with the use of verb like is, equals, is equal to, is results to, or others. Okay. For example of equations, in symbols, another, or in words. A number. We have 3 equals 3. A variable. X equals X, or X equals Y. Okay? Numbers with operations, we have 3 plus 2 equals 5. 3 times negative 2 equals negative 6. Or variables with operations like xy equals z. Or we can read it as x times y equals z. Or x squared plus y equals a. That's in symbol. The same in words, x squared plus y equals a. I said there are so many interpretation of these symbols. I give only one interpretation in words. Okay, another example of equations, combination of numbers and our variables with operations. X minus 2 equals y. We have 1/4 of x plus 2 equals 5. 3x plus 2y plus 5. The square of x plus y plus 9 equals 0. 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x plus 2 equals 0. 2 times the square root of x minus 3 equals 0. X all over 2x minus 5 equals 1. Okay, pag equations, lahat po yan may equals. Yun lang ang tatandaan nyo. Nandyan ang equality sign. Okay? Let's proceed to inequality. Ano ang tinatawag natin na inequality? Is a sentence that shows of being not equal. Also, can be written in two ways. In symbols, with the presence of inequality sign like is not equal to, is greater than, is less than, is greater than or equal to, or is less than or equal to. Or in word, with the use of the phrase like is less than, is greater than, is not equal to, etc. So examples of inequalities, I'll give you two also in symbols or in words. Just like a number, we have 3 is not equal to 4. Or 3 is greater than 2. How about variable? We have x is less than y. How about numbers with operations? 3 plus 2 is greater than 0. 3 times negative 2 is less than negative 2. How about variables with operations? We have x times y is less than z. X squared plus y is greater than a. Another example. In symbols or in words, combination of numbers and our variables with operations, we have x minus 2 is less than or equal to 0. 1 over 4x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 5 or 1/4 of x. X squared plus 5x plus 6 is less than 0. Or 2 times the square root of x minus 3 is less than 0. Or x all over 2x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 1 is also can be written in words. These are some of the examples of inequalities. Ang tatandaan nyo dito yung symbols na is less than, is greater than or equal to, is less than or equal to, is not equal to. How about sa equation? With the presence of equality sign. How about sa expression? Walang equality sign, walang sign of inequalities. Yun lang po ang pagkakaiba ng expressions sa equations and inequality. Thank you so much.